This next story is of a company that offers remarkable interior solutions for corporate offices as well as homes. Take a look. Coming from a rural background, the notion of world-class entrepreneurship was a dream that Pushpak Prakash aspired to. With no prior experience and very little seed capital, he persisted to work hard towards that dream and towards finding a better life. His persistence has today led Pushpak Prakash to build an organization where quality and customer service are the cornerstones of success.
I started this industry in 1992 with literally zero investment. Before that I was an apprentice trainee for a 300 rupees stipend. From that I started my journey. I wanted to create something, I wanted to do something, I want to create some benchmark. That was my dream. I'm working on it. Till today I achieved only 1 or 2%, still 98% to be done.
With a product portfolio specializing in corporate and industrial interior solutions, Pushpak Products has long-standing relationships with clients like Toyota, Bosch, ISRO, BHEL and many others. It has also expanded its offerings to include domestic furniture to attract a whole new set of potential customers in the hospitality industry and also urban retail buying.
Once we get the inputs from the customer, so based on their requirement, we'll give an optimized solution meeting the ergonomics and the quality and international standards as well as the pricing. We have to match the pricing as well as the quality. So we'll give the best output according to their requirement.
We don't concentrate only on the product quality. We implement the quality in the process, so that not only in the process, even in the workmanship, so that the end product comes in a quality product. We have a plan of importing some more machines. So far we were concentrating on corporate interior solutions. We are also coming out with the domestic interiors as well as hospitality interiors. So we are adding up some more machines on that also.
Pushpak's 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing units around Bengaluru are equipped with the latest technology and a 100-strong skilled workforce backing up its promise of superior products. Apart from national recognition from the Confederation of Indian Industries for business excellence, Pushpak Products has recently bagged a joint venture with Czech company Lico S International to launch their range of movable walls, ceilings and partitions in India.
Currently, we are focusing more on the furniture, and we have divided this into verticals, basically into home segment, industries, companies and other things basically. On all these verticals we have given a target. From the current year we have projected the next 3 years. These targets will take this company to the 100 crore in the 3 years time.
One thing, it is not only a product, with products with ethics. That is our strength. Wherever we give value for their money and they'll satisfy, and always repeated customers. Less marketing, we do lot of from day one customer till today we are having the same relationship with the customer.
How do you ensure high quality standards?
We have everything in-house. We have a quality standards, and we have a quality people, and we have a experienced team with a dedicated team. They are working, and based on the customer requirement, and we are working with all the top customers, like all the major customers, Bosch, then Toyota. We have a great contract with Bosch, we have a great contract with Toyota, we have a great contract with all the major big companies. We are maintaining their standards, and also we are adopting their technology, their quality systems in our organization.
How widespread is your geographic reach today?
We all over India, with the DGS and the rate contract, all the furniture can be purchased online from the DGS, all the central government and state governments, all over India, and also we are having office in Japan, and we are supplying to US, Canada, Austria and all the things. Our concept itself, Pushpak should reach globally.
Today the prime goal for Pushpak Products is the concept of Vision 100, which stands for 100% commitment to customer satisfaction. Financially, its goal is to soar from the current annual turnover of 30 crore rupees to an ambitious 100 crore rupees in the next 3 years, while taking all its stakeholders along and inspiring a new generation of entrepreneurs in interior solutions.
Pushpak products, you know, I really like the way you've executed so far. Even your entire profile shows a tremendous amount of vision, and you know, your clients are the bluest of blue chip, both domestically as well as internationally. I think one of the areas where I would recommend that you take a look at your business would be to try and see if within all the businesses that you're doing in the sub sectors which you're catering to, which one of those give you more of an annuity business as compared to a project business, and also just be very focused that you have a lot of diversified subsectors and sub products, and you know, is it worth focusing on a few of them rather than all of them?